On this beach in Toronto, waves are about fun. And for some, Ontario's declaration of a 7th COVID wave is not a huge concern.
I'm over and done with it.
This group came to celebrate the life of a friend who died 4 years ago.
As I truly believe after losing one of my best friends and my sister, you are only here once. You got to live while you're here.
That sentiment was echoed at festivals across the country.
It's nice to be out, you know, in the sunshine and hearing the music.
This is a great ride.
The greatest outdoor show on earth came roaring back. And with masks no longer mandatory, few were in sight. After more than 2 years, Canadians want to get out and enjoy the summer. But concerns about new variants and new waves of infections are causing confusion about what precautions to take. After 2 brutal waves, hospitalizations were trending down. But since mid-June, the numbers have been slowly climbing, now to more than 3,500. Mandatory or not, some doctors say wearing a mask makes sense, especially indoors.
It may feel uncomfortable for you to be masking if you're in a situation where nobody else is masking in a social environment. But you do have to think about the bottom line. Am I going to regret this afterwards?
Whenever we take transit or if we're going into anywhere, grocery stores or things like that, we'll still wear a mask.
Health officials are concerned about the impact of more hospitalizations on the healthcare system. An ER in Brampton, Ontario, near Toronto, had to close over the weekend due to staff shortages.
First, we called an ambulance, and they said it could be hours before we could get one. It was over 8 hour wait, so it was too long.
And experts say the new variants have meant a rise in cases so far this July, unlike in previous summers, which were low seasons for COVID. Lee-Shanok, CBC News, Toronto.